Frugal Living: How to Cut Your Grocery Bill in Half. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear at the grocery store? If the rising cost of everyday necessities has left you feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You can slash your grocery bill in half without sacrificing quality, health, or even the joy of eating well. In this video, I'll empower you with actionable and inspiring tips that prove frugal living isn't about giving up. It's about gaining control over your money and creating a life of abundance. Let's dive in. They say failing to plan is planning to fail. And in the case of grocery shopping, this couldn't be more accurate. A little preparation before you even step foot in the store can save you a significant amount of money. Meal prepping is your secret weapon. First things first, master the art of meal prepping. This means planning your meals for the week and basing your shopping list on those meals. When you have a plan, you're less likely to grab random items that don't add up to complete meals. For example, a carefully planned week might include a roast chicken on day 1, a chicken stir-fry on day 2, and a hearty chicken soup using the leftover bones and meat for day 3. Every ingredient serves a purpose. Efficient shopping lists keep you focused. Write a detailed shopping list and stick to it like your budget depends on it, because it does. Go through your pantry and refrigerator first to ensure you're not repurchasing items you already have. This not only avoids waste, but also frees up your budget for things you really need. Shop seasonally and save big. Take advantage of fruits and vegetables that are in season. When produce is at its peak, it's not only fresher and tastier, but also far less expensive. For example, strawberries in the summer are a steal compared to their out-of-season winter prices. Stick to your list to avoid impulse buying. Supermarkets are designed to tempt you with bright displays, irresistible smells, and deals that aren't actually deals. By sticking to your list, you can navigate the aisles like a frugal pro and steer clear of unnecessary splurges. Once you've planned your grocery trip, it's time to shop smarter, not harder. A few key strategies can dramatically lower your grocery spending. Take advantage of sales cycles. Every store has sales cycles, often tied to seasons or holidays. Learn when your local store marks down items and plan your shopping trips around these cycles. For example, right after major holidays, supermarkets often sell leftover goods at steep discounts. Use discount and reward apps. There's a goldmine of grocery apps out there designed to help you save money. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or your grocery store's own app often offer cashback rewards, personalized discounts, and price comparisons to ensure you're getting the best deals. The power of bulk buying. If you find great deals on non-perishable items or freezable foods, buy in bulk. For instance, purchasing dried pasta, rice, or frozen vegetables in larger quantities can save you money over time. Just be cautious with perishable items. Only bulk buy if you know you can use it before it goes bad. Switch to store brands. Store brand items are often just as good as more expensive name brand products, and sometimes they're even made by the same manufacturers. Make the swap for pantry staples like flour, sugar, canned goods, and frozen foods, and watch the savings quickly add up. Consider discount or specialty stores. These days, you don't need to shop exclusively at big chain stores. Farmers markets, discount grocers like Aldi or Costco, and even dollar stores for certain basics can be fantastic for stretching your dollar. Shop at the right time. Time your trips wisely. Many stores mark down perishable items like bread and meat later in the evening or early in the morning. Being flexible with your shopping hours can help you score unbeatable deals. Saving money isn't just about spending less. It's about making sure nothing goes to waste. Adopting a waste not, want not mindset can help you get the most out of every dollar you spend. Creative use of leftovers. Transform last night's dinner into today's lunch. Leftover roast chicken can easily become chicken salad sandwiches. Veggies from one meal can be thrown into an omelet or stir-fry. Repurposing leftovers not only saves money, but also sparks culinary creativity. Proper food storage saves money. How often have you thrown away wilted lettuce or moldy bread? Learning proper food storage can drastically reduce spoilage. For instance, place leafy greens in a resealable bag with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture and store bread in the freezer until you need it. Embrace batch cooking. Batch cooking is an incredible way to save time and money. Make large portions of soups, casseroles, or chili and freeze single servings for future meals. This way, you can avoid the temptation of expensive takeout on busy nights. Repurpose and reuse ingredients. Don't toss those veggie scraps or slightly stale bread. Carrot peels, celery tops, and onion skins can be turned into flavorful homemade stock. Stale bread? Turn it into breadcrumbs or croutons. Every ingredient is an opportunity to save. Eliminate food waste at all costs. Throwing away food is like throwing away money. Keep track of what you buy and how quickly you use it. If something consistently goes bad before you use it, adjust your shopping habits. Now that you're armed with a solid plan and smart shopping strategies, let's tackle the grocery store itself. Understanding how stores are designed can help you avoid overspending traps. Beware of marketing tricks. Stores are laid out in ways that encourage you to spend more, like stocking essentials such as milk and eggs at the far end, so you have to walk past tempting treats to get to them. Recognize these marketing tricks and learn to shop with intention. Stick to a budget. Set a strict spending limit before your trip and track your spending as you shop. Whether you use a calculator or an app, keeping tabs on your total will keep you from going over budget. Avoid distractions. Distractions lead to overspending. Avoid bringing kids who might demand fun foods, and definitely don't shop on an empty stomach. Hunger makes everything look delicious and more expensive. Master the unit pricing game. Those larger packages might not always be the better deal. Check the price per unit, listed on store tags, to make apples-to-apples comparisons and ensure you're truly getting the best value for your money. Be cautious with bulk discounts. While bulk discounts can be great, they're only worth it if you use the products before they expire. Don't let a great deal trick you into buying something you'll just end up throwing away. The best savings don't come from one-time hacks. They come from building sustainable habits. Let's explore how you can turn these tips into lifelong practices. Make meal prep a weekly ritual. Every week, set aside time to plan your meals, write your list, and prepare anything you can in advance. This routine not only saves money, but also reduces stress throughout the week. Set savings goals. Saving money on groceries feels even better when that money goes towards something important. Maybe it's paying off debt, starting an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. Tie your grocery savings to a larger goal to stay motivated. Get the whole family involved. Saving money on groceries isn't a solo mission. Bring your family into the process. Plan meals together, divide up shopping tasks, or make it a fun competition to find the best deals. This team effort creates shared responsibility and financial awareness. Track your progress. Keep a record of how much you're spending and saving on groceries over time. When you see the numbers improving, it will motivate you to keep going. Small changes add up to big results. Cutting your grocery bill in half isn't just about saving money, it's about building habits that lead to peace of mind, financial security, and a sense of accomplishment. By planning ahead, shopping smarter, wasting less, and adopting a frugal mindset, you'll create a more intentional and abundant life. Now it's your turn. Start with just 1 or 2 tips from this video and gradually incorporate more as you go. Small steps today lead to big results tomorrow. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, and those dollars can help pave the way for the financial freedom you deserve. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more personal finance tips, share it with friends on the same path, and let us know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Let's inspire each other to live better and spend smarter.